Welcome to our video on data visualization. Today we will delve into the world of data visualization, explore its benefits and discuss why this field is a promising career choice. Whether you are a student, a professional looking to switch careers or just curious about data, you are at the right place. Let us understand the basics. What exactly is data visualization? At its core, data visualization is a graphical representation of information and data. By using visual elements like charts, graphs and maps, data visualization helps us to see patterns, trends and outliers in data. Imagine trying to understand a spreadsheet filled with numbers and text. It can be overwhelming. Now picture that same data represented as colorful graphs or interactive dashboards. Much clearer, right? That's the power of data visualization. It transforms complex data into the format that's easier to understand and analyze. Benefits of data visualization. Now let us talk about advantages of pursuing career in data visualization. Firstly, growing demand. Data is everywhere and businesses need professionals who can turn that data into actionable insights. This has led to a high demand for data visualization experts across various industries including finance, healthcare and technology. Secondly, high earning potential. Due to the specialized skills required, data visualization professionals often demand competitive salaries. The more experience and expertise you gain, the higher is your earning potential. Diverse career paths. Data visualization skills are applicable in numerous roles such as data analysts, business intelligence analyst, and data scientist. This diversity allows for flexibility and various career opportunities. Impactful work. By effectively visualizing data, you help organizations make informed decisions that can drive growth, solve problems, and improve efficiency. Your work can have a direct impact on the company's success. So, who should consider a career in data visualization? Firstly, analytical thinkers. If you have a knack for analyzing and interpreting data, this field might be a great fit for you. Analytical skills are crucial for understanding data and drawing meaningful conclusions. Secondly, creative minds. Data visualization isn't just about numbers, it's also about presenting them in a visually appealing way. Creativity in designing charts, graphs, and dashboards is key to making data comprehensible and engaging. Third, detail-oriented individuals. Attention to details is important in data visualization. Small errors can lead to incorrect interpretations. So, a meticulous approach is essential. To excel in data visualization, there are several fundamental skills you need to possess. Firstly, analysis of data. Understanding how to analyze and interpret data is crucial. Familiarity with tools like Excel, SQL, or Python for data manipulation is often required. Visualization tools. Proficiency in visualization softwares such as Tableau, Power BI, or D3JS is essential for creating interactive and insightful visualization. Statistical knowledge. A solid understanding of statistics helps in making sense of data distribution and ensuring accurate representation. Communication skills. Being able to convey your findings clearly and effectively to stakeholders is crucial. Good communication skills help bridge the gap between complex data and actionable insights. Finally, Let's explore the career prospects in data visualization. As data continues to grow exponentially, the need for skilled data visualization professionals is expected to increase. Industries such as finance, marketing, healthcare, and technology are actively seeking experts in this field. Freelance and consulting options. If you prefer flexibility, there are numerous opportunities for freelancing or consulting. Many organizations hire freelance data visualization experts for specific projects or ongoing analysis. Leadership roles. With experience, you can advance into leadership roles such as data visualization managers or director of analytics, where you will be overseeing teams and strategic initiatives. To sum up, data visualization is a powerful tool for making data understandable and actionable. Pursuing a career in this field offers exciting opportunities, high earning potentials, and a chance to make a significant impact. So whether you are an analytical thinker, a creative mind, or a detailed oriented individual, data visualization might be the perfect career path for you. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on data and analytics. Drop any questions or comments below, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks once again. Thank you.